had a theory that if you could solve the equations, space and time could be flattened. They would all be on a level plane.
Define that for me. What do you mean by flattened?
Well, that you could, in essence, see past, present, and future simultaneously. Well, eventually solving the equation.